Hello, hi there. My name is Sunil Yadav. I'm going to talk about how we can use MongoDB developer tools like MongoDB Compass or whatever are you using like Robo, RoboMongo, like NoSQL Booster. So how we can use it. So we have seen like in last few videos, right? We have used MongoShell, right, to perform all the activity, right? How we can create the database, how we can create the collection, how we can insert the documents. So same operation you can use, like these tools. And if you go to developer tools and you can try to find out, these tools and download and install. So suppose if you haven't installed it, please refer my videos. I already posted in MongoDB playlist, and you can go there and see the video. Okay, so I have installed it and I'm trying to open my MongoDB Compass. You can see a recent activity I have done, right? So if you just click on the connection, so it's giving like connection details, right? So far is local host, you can edit, right, depend upon your details, right? MongoDB, like this is server name and then :/ server name, like IP address, port, read preferences, primary, and all the details you can just put and connect. It will connect to you. So locally, if you see, right, all the database I have created it showing here, right? Suppose I want to create one more database, we can say database name Compass, right, and collection name test. I'm going to create this database. Now here is if you see here, right, Compass is created and test data collection is also created. Now how we can import data into this collection, right? Either you can put like import the whole JSON file, right, the correct data format, or you can insert document. So I'm going to say insert, like document name is here, like a name, Sunil, right? Just field and field value, right? Insert not permitted while document is contains error. So what is error here? This is not valid JSON, so we need to put the valid JSON. So we try to insert. Now this document is inserted. Now you can, if you want to edit, you can edit it. So like I wanted to edit same field like Sunil place XYZ, right, and just update it. It will going to update. Or if you want to add one more fields, you can do that, like age just like 2312 update, right? So it is like replace, but let me add one more field here. Add field here, name XYZ, update, right? So this way is now updating. Similar way, if you open this NoSQL Booster, right, and do refresh, right, so you will see the same database with this test collection and the document detail you can see here. So this way, right, you can create the index as well. So many things we have in this. You can use MongoDB like Compass or NoSQL Booster, whatever you prefer, like similar kind of feature you have. Some tools have more benefit compared to other. So 3T Studio is one of the best MongoDB tool, so you can use that one, but that is license. We need to pay a lot of money. So that's it from this session, and hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and share your feedback. Thank you so much for your time.